Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best car speed sensors. These top picks will enhance your driving experience with unmatched precision. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment for more updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Dorman ABS Wheel Speed Sensor, compatible with select models for the rear, is a reliable replacement part designed to ensure your vehicle's ABS system operates smoothly. Engineered with high-quality materials for optimal performance and durability, it accurately measures wheel speed to enhance braking efficiency and stability. Easy to install with a precise fit for specific vehicle models, it helps maintain safety and control. Trust Dorman's expertise in automotive solutions to keep your braking system in top condition. Ideal for those seeking dependable performance and peace of mind on the road. Number 2. ACDelco GM Original Equipment Vehicle Speed Sensor. Designed to meet GM standards, this high-quality black sensor ensures accurate speed readings and optimal transmission performance. Engineered for durability and reliability, it resists wear and tear, providing long-lasting service. Easy to install and compatible with a range of GM vehicles, it helps maintain smooth and efficient vehicle operation. Enhance your driving experience with this essential automotive component from ACDelco. Number 3. WMPHE's compatible with transmission vehicle speed sensor, your solution for seamless driving performance. This sensor ensures accurate speed readings, crucial for smooth gear shifts and optimal engine control. Its durable construction promises long-lasting reliability, backed by precision engineering. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play design, saving you time and hassle. Say goodbye to erratic speedometer readings and hello to consistent performance on the road. Upgrade your driving experience with WMPHE's vehicle speed sensor today. Number 4. DNA Motoring's OEMS S113 factory-style vehicle speed sensor assembly compatible is a game-changer for smooth driving experiences. Crafted with precision and compatibility in mind, this sensor ensures accurate speed readings, enhancing vehicle safety and performance. Its factory-style design seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, making installation a breeze. Engineered for reliability, it promises long-lasting durability, backed by DNA Motoring's trusted reputation. Upgrade your ride with the DNA Motoring OEMS S113 and enjoy the road with confidence. Number 5. Ocpty Vehicle Speed Sensor Fits. Engineered for precision and reliability, this sensor ensures accurate monitoring of your vehicle's speed, crucial for optimal performance. Its durable construction guarantees longevity, while its plug-and-play design simplifies installation. Compatible with a wide range of vehicle models, it seamlessly integrates into your system for seamless functionality. Say goodbye to speedometer inaccuracies and hello to smooth, efficient driving. Ocpty delivers quality you can trust. Experience seamless speed control like never before with Ocpty Vehicle Speed Sensor Fits. In conclusion, selecting the best car speed sensor is crucial for optimal performance and safety on the road. Whether it's accuracy, durability, or compatibility, finding the right fit for your vehicle is key. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updates and informative videos.